With the volatility of the world's markets, it can be difficult for beginners to know where to turn for advice and guidance. If you are looking for a reputable and best Forex broker in Nepal that can aid your trading, this video will help you as we have sorted out the Forex brokers list in Nepal. Since there are a lot of Forex brokers in Nepal and it is not easy to find the best Nepal Forex brokers, we have compiled information about finding the top Forex brokers. Best Forex brokers in Nepal list. There are many Forex brokers available in Nepal, but the best Forex brokers in this list are FP Markets, FX Pro, FX Choice, IC Markets, FBS Markets, Black Bull Markets, XM, HF Markets, AXI, and Pepperstone. These all are basically the best Forex brokers in Nepal, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below. Yes, Forex trading is legal in Nepal. But you will have to make sure you trade using the regulated Forex brokers in Nepal. However, you may not be able to deposit or withdraw in local currency. But there are many alternatives that allows you to trade online using offshore brokers. Many people in Nepal want to know how to start Forex trading. The process is not complicated, but it involves three major components: opening a Forex trading account, analyzing the market, and executing trades to make money. The first step is opening a Forex trading account. This can be done by opening an online brokerage account with any best Forex broker in Nepal. However, if you don't know which one is best, check our Nepal Forex brokers list. The second step involves analyzing the market for potential currency pairs and noting their historic performance. In order to make the most out of an increase or decrease in the Forex market, become aware of what has led up to these moments before trading. This will help you understand the factors that create a slope and how to predict new ones. Keep in mind that not every market will be profitable. There are winners and losers, so don't invest every penny into one currency pair. You need an open mind and a quick mind to succeed in this field. It will take some time before you start making money, so don't expect to get rich overnight. The third step is to set up a stop-loss order. This stops trading when the currency reaches a certain preset amount that one is willing to accept. There are many benefits to stop-loss orders in Forex trading. One is that when the currency pair goes up, you can sell your currency and minimize any losses you have. Another benefit of stop-loss orders is that it prevents you from making emotional trades, such as buying on a rise before there is a fast and sharp increase in prices or selling too early because of fear. The final step involves executing trades when the currency reaches the stop-loss order. A series of these trades should eventually bring in profits. Whether you are new to trading or experienced, it's always recommended to check their history and track record before accepting a broker. There are many factors that have an impact on the success of a trading account, from software features to customer support. To find out which brokers offer the most reliable and trustworthy services, take a look at our list of the things you should know before choosing your Forex broker. The level of leverage offered at a broker's dealing desk can have an effect on the risk profile of your account and, as such, will affect your choice of broker. High leverage can be risky, and too low leverage may prevent you from maximizing your returns. There are many different Forex trading platforms to choose from when you open an account with the best Forex brokers accepting traders in Nepal. So, it's important to find out which platforms are available for your analysis and execution requirements at any given time. At times, there might be multiple platforms available to you for trading. Taking the time to compare your options can make all of the difference. Customer support is yet another factor that can make all the difference when choosing a broker, and while it's important to choose a reputable broker that offers a high level of client service, you should also do thorough research into their support fees. There are various compensation schemes available to Forex traders, and it's important that you choose one that is suited to your personal investment needs. If you have a limited budget, then look for a broker who offers commission rebates or a flat fee structure in order to save money on your trading fees. In the world of online Forex trading in Nepal, low minimum deposit rates are becoming more popular. Make sure you choose a broker who offers low minimum deposit requirements to open an account. This, in turn, will save you a lot of money on trading fees and commissions. Always check the legitimacy and proof of licensing before choosing a Forex broker. In simple words, the ultimate goal is to choose the regulated Forex brokers in Nepal. For instance, look for brokers which offer licenses from internationally recognized regulatory agencies such as the FCA or SEC. When choosing a Forex trading institution in Nepal, it's important to look for one which offers a high degree of account security. After all, you're in charge of your money, and you shouldn't have to compromise on the safety of your money. The more secure your account is, the better. To make sure you are protected against hackers and other criminals, look for brokers that offer daily withdrawals and full withdrawal proofing features. Forex brokers have the best interest of their clients in mind, so make sure you choose a broker with a simple and straightforward set of instructions for opening an account. Some brokers even offer video tutorials for beginners. All of these factors, and more, are the elements to consider when choosing the best Forex broker in Nepal, and it's important you fully understand these details before opening an account, either with a brand new broker or a new one altogether. The process can be tedious, but taking the time to research your options can make all of the difference in the world when it comes to finding an online trading broker that offers reliable services at competitive rates. Forex trading in Nepal isn't easy. It takes plenty of time and hard work, but it can be very lucrative if handled with care and skill. There are many brokers in Nepal that offer international currencies like USD, GBP, JPY, Euro, etc. Forex trading is a very diverse field, so you need to understand how the market works, what steps to take when making trades, and how to manage those trades.